I welcome you all to the 50th anniversary of country's largest pharmaceutical company. A 5,000 crore Sun Pharmaceuticals. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome the CEO, the visionary, the owner, the god of medicine, Amarjit Singhania.
Ladies and gentlemen, I, Amarjit Singhania, have come here on the occasion of our 50th anniversary of our company, Sun Pharma. I have come here to announce that I'm offering a 50% discount on all the medicines. The medicines that you've been surviving on, all you people. We are here. So that's why I see all these strangers. The medicine, I don't think there's any business that is, that's there in this current generation which we didn't find any medicine. So this is your opportunity. 7 days, go and buy. And the rest 50% is from me. I'm very happy. I know that I am what I am. I'm the savior. I'm here to save you all. But also remember,
this 50% discount that you're offering, it's a cheating. All the medicines on which you are offering 50% discount are outdated and expired. You are here to help people. Don't cheat them.
hello? What's this? Is this some kind of prank? Are you playing prank with Amarjit Singhania? Amarjit Singhania. Who that? Security? Who's?
Oh, so now you don't recognize me? I'm your soul. I've been guiding you at every step, but you don't listen to me.
What is happening here? Security? What are you saying, soul? So, is this some kind of joke? The only soul that I know is the soul that's underneath my shoes. The one that I got from Italy, one of the finest. Yes, but I don't know what you're talking about. And why am I even talking to you? I have an international meeting and I don't have time for this. And security, who's this?
Everything is not about money and time. God has given you this great opportunity to serve people. You've not been doing that. It is time. You still have time. Hold on to God. Hold on to Baba. Hold on to Meher Baba and he will guide you.
Alright. It's been long since I actually got. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this prank, but what did you say? You giving me opportunity, someone else giving Amarjit Singhania opportunity. This is some kind of joke. Nobody can give opportunity to Singhania. I'm the source. I'm playing God. There is no God here. There's no God other than I'm the one who has created life. I define what is life and what is death.
There is only one God, Meher Baba. He's given you this opportunity. Listen to yourself. He will help you. Hold on to his daman and he will guide you.
Now, you don't have faith. And then now you're saying me there is some Meher Baba and all this dollars. I can show you my contact list wherever you are. I can show you my contact list and I have this Ramdev Baba, this Baba. Every bloody idiots they come and they take my formula, add their ingredients and they sell it as Ayurvedic medicine. What you telling me what is right and what's wrong? Me, Amarjit Singhania.
Meher Baba is no ordinary man. He's the avatar himself. He's the avatar of the age. Hold on to his daman. You still have time. Look within you. He's the ultimate truth.
So he's avatar. Oh my God. Well, he has to be everywhere. Me, who's God himself, I've defined life, but I myself can't be everywhere. I need to be at one location and you're saying that there's someone else who can be everywhere. So let me see. I've had this thing. your Meher Baba he's everywhere. Alright, so can I call him? Meher Baba, are you there? Or are you there? Can I knock somewhere? Can I ring a bell? Hello? Meher Baba? I don't hear him. I don't.
Meher Baba is everywhere. He is in everything. He is beyond everywhere and beyond everything. Look within you. He is within you. Hold on to his daman. Ask for Meher Baba. Call for Meher Baba.
Enough of this. I am the ultimate source. I create life and it is simple for me. I don't care for humanity. I'm here only to make money. And understand this. It's very simple logic. This is the way everyone lives. More to change in this world. More to gain for me. What is this thing? Doctor! Hey, anyone there? Hello?
Sir, sir, we done all the tests. See you on the first. Sir, so I am sorry, sir. You have blood cancer.
What is this? What is this? What the hell is this? It says I have blood cancer. How can I have blood cancer? I am Amarjit Singhania. I have medicine for everything. Go and test your lab. I have medicine for it. Go and get it. Next week I have an appointment to, handle some international clients. I don't have time for this. Go and find some medicine.
Sir, no medicine will work now. Now only God can help you.
What?
Only God can help you.
What's wrong with you? I find you. I care. Go and find that medicine. Get me some water, please. Come on. I think I can fix myself. I think yes, I have solution for this. Yes, I got the Pope's blood, which I took for something. I think that's the purest form of blood I can use. And I can fix myself. I can do this. Hello?
एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं
Who are you? Where do you come from? And how do you get into my cabin? What is that? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling at me?
I'm always with you. I'm your soul. I'm everywhere.
Can anyone hear me? Can you get me a glass of water? I've been asking you. What happened? No.
I've been telling you, I've been guiding you, but you never listen to me. I've been telling you, the only way for you is remember Meher Baba, call for him, and he'll be there. Constant remembrance.
Enough of this. I can't take this pain anymore. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Constant remembrance of Meher Baba, and hold on to his daman. He will help you. He will guide you.
What do you want me to do? Do I offer him some gold? Some jewelry or some... कुछ कीर्तन करवाऊं, कुछ हवन करवाऊं, मेरे को वो खिलाऊं? Do I need to donate some money? Please help me.
No amount of offering can help you. All you need to do is surrender to his will. Take this blood cancer also as his prasad. Accept it. Hold on to him. Call him from your heart. He will help you. Call for Meher Baba. Meher Baba. Meher Baba. He'll be there. He will guide you.
I can do anything for him. I can do anything. What do you want me to do? Just tell me what you want me to do and I'll do it. I can't take this pain anymore. Stop fooling yourself, Amarjit. You can't be God. You're just an ordinary person. Probably a good trainer, but you can't play God. Try to wake up. sorry for what foolish life I have lived so long. I thought I can win everything. I thought that I can be God. But I was so foolish. I was so foolish. I'm so sorry. Eat. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Please help me, Baba.
Desire for nothing except desirelessness. Hope for nothing except to rise above all hopes. Want nothing and you will have everything. Serve others with the understanding that in them you are serving me. Be resigned completely to my will, and my will be yours. Real happiness lies in making others happy. Be greedy to own more and more wealth of tolerance and justice. Fortunate are they whose love is tested by misfortunes. Live less for yourself and more for others.
Thank you, Baba. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking this call. Thank you for answering my call, Baba. Thank you so much. I understood. I understood the meaning of my life now. And I feel sad, I feel pathetic for wasting all these years. I'm here. And now I understand how I need to live my life. Whatever the rest of the time that's left for me, I'll serve you by serving your fellow beings, my fellow beings. I'll help without any expectation. And please spare me little time so that I can fulfill this little desire that I have, that you have given me. Let me help in mankind before you can take me back. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Trust God completely, and He will solve all your difficulties. Love God sincerely, and He will reveal Himself to you. This love needs no ceremonies and show. Your heart must love so that even your mind is not aware of it. Hold fast to my Dhamma and be 100% honest in every way. I say, understanding has no meaning. Love has meaning. Obedience has more meaning. Holding my Dhamma has most meaning. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Ki jai.